BIM progress monitoring with BEXEL Manager, BEXEL Viewer, and BEXEL Portfolio Manager. Generate BIM look-ahead plans for the next period directly from 4D or 5D construction simulation. Send detailed BIM look-ahead plan with planned quantities and costs on construction site to cloud-based BEXEL Viewer. In BEXEL Viewer, check and adjust selection according to exact construction progress and send it back to BEXEL Manager. Import back selection of executed elements and automatically create progress entry for the time period. Compare planned versus actual schedule within Gantt chart. Analyze total and cumulative cost, activities, resources, quantities directly in BEXEL Manager. Instantly get precise interactive reports, planned and actual cost per task, earned value analysis, cost and schedule performance index. Monitor progress of executed work and analyze it on multi-version level or multi-project level. Play planned versus actual simulation, and visually compare two schedules, baseline and actual with progress.